Have you ever stepped on a weighing scale and suddenly gained 5 kilos overnight? That's exactly what happened to me. My 4-year-old HealthSense weighing scale started showing random numbers. In fact, it was showing 2.2 kilos even when nothing was on it. Then I checked my weight. 85 kilos. The last time I checked, I was around 80-81, and honestly, I couldn't believe it. So I decided to find out whether I had actually gained that much weight or if my weighing scale had finally given up. That's when I ordered this budget weighing scale from Amazon, the Cube Club Precision Fit. It costs around Rs 799 officially, but you can usually find it for about Rs 500 on Amazon. Now, the box promises a lot. It says it can measure 12 body metrics like BMI, BMR and more through an app. But there is one problem. The app doesn't even connect to the device, and honestly at this price I wasn't expecting much. All I really wanted was a reliable digital weighing scale that shows accurate weight readings. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we get the weighing scale, a thank you card and batteries. The packaging is actually quite decent. Since the top is made of glass, they have used protective thermocol to keep it safe during shipping. And first impressions? Pretty good. The design is simple and clean. The black glass finish looks much more premium than I expected. It's also surprisingly thin. On the bottom, we have the sensor housing, battery compartment, anti-slip rubber feet, and a QR code for additional information. The scale runs on two AAA batteries. But while installing them, I noticed something unexpected. The included batteries already had signs of oxidation, so I swapped them with fresh Duracell batteries instead. After powering it on, the display looked quite nice. You get a battery indicator, room temperature display, weight reading, and support for different units. You can switch between kilograms, pounds, and stone units using the button underneath. For me, kilograms are all that matter. But now came the real test. Was my old weighing scale actually broken? Or had I gained all that weight? Moment of truth. 83.95 kilos. Let me try again. 83.95. One more time. 83.95. And again 83.95. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Consistent readings. So yes, my old weighing scale was definitely faulty. The bad news, I still gained nearly 2 kilos since my last check. The good news, I'm not 85 or 86 kilos like my old scale claimed. Overall, for around 500 rupees, I think this is a solid purchase. It looks good, gives consistent readings, has a clear display, and is easy to use. Who should buy it? Anyone looking for an affordable home weighing scale for regular weight tracking. Who should skip it? If you're specifically buying it for advanced body metrics and app connectivity, you may want something more premium. For basic weight monitoring though, this gets the job done. And if you're trying to improve your fitness journey like I am, having a weighing scale at home is actually pretty useful. Thanks for watching.